Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today Mom and I are in White Bear Lake to explore a nature preserve.
We were here, what, 2016?
Places like this is what reminds me that we are in a drought. Because it's supposed to be like a swampy area. Like this is all supposed to be like underwater.
Yeah, isn't the water supposed to go up this
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
From what I remember, when we were here 6 years ago, this entire place is like a wetlands. This year, fall is going to be looking a little different compared to last year because this year, due to the drought, the trees are stressed from not having as much water and stuff. Our fall is going to happen sooner than normal.
And not as vibrant.
And yes, the leaves are not going to be as vibrant. And our fall's not going to last nearly as long either. From what I remember, this park sadly isn't as pretty as I remembered. Oh, that's a huge dragonfly. As I remember it being from 6 years ago. But that's also means that 6 years ago this place looked a lot different, especially compared to the water levels. It's a cute little park, freaking stroller friendly, bike friendly. It's perfect for just a little park to still walk and have fun. Maybe even a mini photo shoot on the boardwalk. Personally, I love mushrooms, but I'm not a fan of the fan kind of mushroom. That is it.
Yep.
Thanks guys for watching this short video of a nature preserve in White Bear Lake.
It was actually really soothing on a Sunday.
It was.
afternoon.
It's a really cute place.
It makes me want to go home and clean the house now.
If you guys want to see the pictures I got from 6 years ago from this location, I'll link that Flickr album in the description. And that is pretty much it. So thanks guys so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Toodles.